In a quiet town nestled between mountains and sprawling forests, there lived a young scientist named Arya. Arya was captivated by the concept of emergent properties, the idea that complex systems and patterns arise from simple interactions. Her fascination began in childhood, when she watched a flock of birds flying together. Thousands of birds moved as one, creating intricate shapes in the sky. No single bird was leading, yet collectively, they formed a mesmerizing and harmonious spectacle. Arya dedicated her life to uncovering the secrets of emergent properties, believing it might hold the key to solving humanity's greatest challenges. Arya's first breakthrough came when she conducted a simple experiment in her classroom. She tasked her students with arranging colored tiles on a large grid. The rule was, a student could place a tile only if it bordered at least 2 tiles of the same color. Patterns began to emerge, illustrating emergent phenomena. The experiment sparked a fire in Arya. She began studying emergent properties across various fields, from the behavior of ant colonies to the formation of galaxies. Everywhere she looked, she saw parallels in economics, biology, technology, and human behavior. One summer, Arya visited a renowned entomologist who specialized in ant colonies. In the research lab, she watched ants at work. There was no visible leader, yet the colony thrived. Each ant followed simple rules, but collectively, the colony exhibited extraordinary intelligence and adaptability. The entomologist explained that emergent properties allow ants to function as a superorganism. An individual ant is almost insignificant, but together, they are unstoppable. Arya was struck by the resemblance between ant colonies and human societies. Arya wondered if emergent properties could explain not just animal behavior, but also the rise of civilizations, the evolution of technologies, and the spread of ideas. Her next stop was a lab specializing in artificial intelligence and networked systems. Arya met a computer scientist working on neural networks, a field deeply rooted in emergent phenomena. In neural networks, individual neurons are not very intelligent, but when interconnected, they can recognize faces, understand languages, and even create art. Arya marveled at how emergent properties were shaping the digital age. Social media platforms, for example, are emergent systems where the interactions of billions of users generate trends, movements, and even revolutions, showcasing the global power of simple interactions. One autumn afternoon, Arya went for a walk in the forest near her home. She reflected on how emergent properties were woven into the fabric of nature. The forest itself was an emergent system, where trees, fungi, and animals interacted in countless ways. Beneath her feet, fungal mycelial networks connected tree roots, allowing them to share nutrients and information. The forest was alive, not just as individual organisms, but as a collective. Arya thought about the lessons humanity could learn from nature's harmony. Inspired by her journey, Arya began advocating for emergent properties as a solution to global challenges. She presented a bold vision. By designing systems that foster collaboration and innovation, humanity could discover new solutions. One of her most daring ideas was to design cities as emergent ecosystems. Instead of rigidly planning every detail, urban planners could establish simple rules and incentives for sustainability, allowing cities to grow and adapt naturally.